Hello friends, today we will do some great and amazing experiment on iPhone 30, iPhone 30 Pro and iPhone 30 Pro Max. First we will drop the iPhone 30 Pro from a lot of the building. The back of the iPhone 30 Pro is in a state of disrepair, but iPhone is still working well. iPhone 30 Pro hammer experiment. After display the houses with a few more hammer, on top of the display goes off. Then incessantly with straight hitting the front and back with hammer. The condition of the rear part is absolutely bad and a lot of the top of the front display is torn. I will test the iPhone 30 by throwing it down the straight while walking. But the top of the phone display turned black with the side, which we don't expect from the iPhone 30. iPhone 30 Pro car experiment. There was no damage to the back of the phone, but the display was badly damaged. iPhone 30 Pro water test. We put the phone under water for about 10 minutes, but the phone did not have any problem. iPhone 30 Pro Max freezing test. But the surprising thing is that even after keeping the phone in the fridge for so long, the phone is still working very well. iPhone 30 Pro Max drop test.
In 3, 2, 1.
The front of the phone is very good, but the back is not in good condition. iPhone 30 Pro Max drill machine experiment. The drill machine was held very lightly on the display, and as a result there was no damage.